let's go. AI's the way to grow.
Want to create AI videos like this? It's super easy. Anyone can do it. If you're excited to learn simple AI tricks to earn money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now I'll show you, step by step, how to create an amazing AI-generated video using AI tools for the image, music, and animation. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate an image using MidJourney. Log into Discord and type your prompt like this. Cat is riding a bike on the road, Pixar style. To make it vertical for videos, you can add --AR 916 at the end. It will take a few seconds to generate the image. Now our images are ready. You can see 4 variations. Take a moment to review them, then select the one you like best. In my case, I'm choosing the 4th image for the video. To get a high-quality version, click the U4 button to upscale it. Once it's finished processing, go ahead and download the upscaled image. If you're new to MidJourney, feel free to check out the beginner's tutorial linked in the description for more detailed guidance. Now let's create a music track to go with our video. For this, we will be using Suno AI, one of the best AI song generators in 2025. Open Google and search for Suno AI. You will see it appear as the first result. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the home page. We'll be releasing a full A to Z tutorial on how to use Suno AI very soon. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, or you might miss it. To generate music tracks with Suno AI, you'll need to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, just click Sign Up. There are 5 sign-in options available, including Google, Discord, and more. For this tutorial, I'm using Discord to sign in. Once you choose your method, you'll be asked to authorize the login. This only takes a few seconds. After that, the site may ask you a few quick questions, as shown on screen. You can answer them or simply skip to move forward. Once done, you'll be taken to the Suno AI dashboard, ready to start creating music. To create our music, we will use the custom option on Suno AI. For lyrics, we will generate them using ChatGPT. Simply describe your idea, and ChatGPT will write the lyrics for you. Once your lyrics are ready, copy and paste them into Suno AI. Next, select your music style. For this track, I'm choosing male pop. Then, give your song a title. Finally, click the Create button to generate your song. As shown on the screen, 2 versions of the track will be created. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once they're ready, you can listen to both and choose the one that fits best with your video.
Create, innovate, let's go. AI's the way to grow. Dream it, build it, watch it flow. With tech, you're in control. Yeah. Open up the screen, start your machine. Type your prompt, watch the magic scene. From pixels bright to let's go. AI is the way to grow. Dream it.
I'm selecting this track and downloading it just like this. Keep in mind, if you need commercial rights, you'll need to upgrade your membership. Our music is ready. Now, let's turn our image into an animated video. For this, I'm using Pixverse AI. Just head over to Google and search for Pixverse AI. Click on the first result, and it will take you directly to the home page. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and easy. We'll be creating a full step-by-step tutorial on how to use Pixverse in a future video, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Click this button to upload the image we created using MidJourney. Once the upload is complete, you'll need to enter a prompt in this box. The prompt doesn't have to be complex. Something simple like this works perfectly. Next, choose your video duration and set the number of versions you want to generate. Finally, click the Create button. It will take just a few seconds. Now your animated video is ready. Once your video is ready, you'll be able to download two versions, one with a watermark and the other without a watermark if you're on a paid plan. Now, let's merge the video and audio. I'm using CapCut for this part of the process. Open CapCut and import both the video and the audio file as shown here. Then drag them onto the timeline. Since the video is shorter than the audio, we'll duplicate the video to match the length. Next, add a few transition effects where the clips meet, to keep things smooth and engaging.
Create, innovate, let's go. AI's the way to grow. Dream it,
Once everything looks good, export your final video. You can now upload this to platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. And videos like this often go viral. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials. See you in the next one.